Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to get MadFUT 22 mod with unlimited packs. Let's start the game first so I can show you how it works. As you can see, all the packs costs 0 coins. Thanks to that, I can open as many packs as I want. Let's just open few packs to show you that everything works fine. And then I will show you how to get this mod in less than 3 minutes. If you don't want to watch me opening few more packs, you can skip this part of the video. As you can see, the amount of coins does not change. Alright, that's enough. Now I will show you how to get this mod. Now I will remove it so that I can show you how to install it again step by step. First, let's open a browser, for example Google Chrome or Firefox. Now let's go to the website modfornow.com. Now scroll down till you see MadFUT 22 and click on it. And now scroll down till you see the orange download button and click on it. As you can see, to get the MadFUT 22 mod with unlimited packs, I need to complete 2 free offers. Now I will show you how to do it in about 3 minutes. First, let's choose and click on one of the offers. And now let's read the instructions. As you can see, to complete this offer, I need to install this app and then open it for 30 seconds. That's very easy. Let's click on Tap to install. Now let's click on Install to install the app. When the app is installed, let's open it. Let's wait for the app to open. As you remember, now I have to keep it open for 30 seconds. I will keep it open for about 40-50 seconds just in case. I will speed up this part of the video. Okay, after about 40-50 seconds I can close the app and go back to the browser. The first offer is now completed. Now it's time to complete the second one. So let's select and click on one of the offers. And now, just like before, let's read the instructions. As you can see, the instructions are the same. I need to install this app and then open it for 30 seconds. Also remember that you can choose any offers you want, but it is very important to read the instructions. Let's click on Tap to install. And now let's install this app. Now let's open it and keep it open for about 40 seconds. Once again, I will speed up this part of the video. And after 40 seconds I can close the app and go back to the browser. The two offers are completed, and as you can see, the MadFUT 22 mod is downloaded. Let's click on Open. And now let's click on Install. Now the Google Play Protect will make sure that the game is safe for my device. As you can see, it says secure. And that's it guys, now I can play MadFUT 22 with unlimited packs. Thanks for watching.